friends. How are you today? Are you feel bored? How's your at home? Did you study very well? Did you do some exercise or some sport today? Are you ready to study for English class today? Okay. If you're ready, that's good. Have you got your breakfast? Did you drink some milk? Okay. Now, our topics today is asking and giving opinion. You know that yesterday we have learned some expressions for the first chapter. It's about asking and showing attentions, giving comments to the news, and then asking for repetitions, giving compliments, asking for giving opinion. And today's is the last material for this chapter. So for today's material, you can see your textbook, page 17 and 18. Well, back to our topic. Do you ever ask or giving opinion for your friends? If yes, good. In our daily conversations, we usually ask our friends' opinion, ask our friend idea, ask our friends' suggestion about something. And we also always give our idea, give our opinion, give our suggestions in daily conversation. So today we will talk about that. Now, in this topic, we will discuss or we will talk about 3 points. First is how to ask opinion. Second is how to giving opinion. And then the last is how to respond the opinion. If you can ask the opinion and then you can give your opinion and then you can respond about your friend's opinions, that means you already understood with this material. Now, the first topic is asking opinion. Now, you look at that in the red color. There are many other ways to ask opinion for your friend. For example, number one, what do you think of my class? What's your opinion about my hair? What's your opinions about our last game? What do you think about my phone? Example. What do you think about my phone? What's your idea about my pencil case? How about blah blah blah? How do you feel blah blah blah? How do you think? Please give me your opinion. Keep me your comment. Do you have opinion of? There are the common expressions that you can use when you want to ask your friends or your someone's opinion. And the second is giving opinion. You know, if you are very good in critical thinking, I mean, if you are kind of critical thinking, some of your friends maybe always ask your opinion. So you need to give your opinion. How do you start to giving opinions? Example, in my opinion, your pencil case is quite good because it's simple and elegant. As an example, I personally believe nowadays your phone or your smartphone is become new brands. And then another example, I tend to think that Tupperware bottle is very strong bottle that I have ever used. Another example, in my opinion, in my view, tripod is very important for YouTuber. Another example, as far I know, I think blah blah blah. I personally consider from my point of view, my comment is the way I see is that blah 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 something like that. So is it clear how to ask and how to give opinion? Okay, if you understand, very good. Now you can practice how to read it. Now, let's see on the dialogue. In the dialogue, there is a conversation between Anissa and Fitria. Now we need to identify where is the expressions of asking and giving opinion. Anissa said, "Hi Fitria, you look very tidy today. Where are you go?" "Hi Anissa, I will go to traditional market, then I will visit Candy Joglo." "That's great choice. By the way, may I follow you?" "No problem. Come on." "Ha ha ha, I just kidding." By the way, do you ever go to Candi Joglo?" "Yes, I do." Actually, Candi in English is temple, right? "Yes, I do. I visited 2 weeks ago." "What do you think of Candi Joglo?" "In my opinion, it's very cheap and we are being liked in Bali." "Really? Thank you for your information." "You're welcome." Now look at the conversations. There, can you find the expression of asking opinion? Asking opinion? Yes, if you say, "What do you think of?" Because it's already in italic, you can identify. "What do you think of?" is asking opinion. While "in my opinion" is very cheap. In my opinion, you can see again. In my opinion, okay then. Is there in my opinion? Yes, in my opinion. So it's expression of giving opinion. Now, now let's come to the next. Now, if you are already clear with how to ask and how to give opinion, the most important is your response about the opinion. If you really strongly agree, I mean, if you are 100% agree with your friend's uh, opinion, you can say, "Yes, absolutely agree." For example, your friends say, "I think Tupperware bottle is the best bottle that I have ever used." And you say, "Yes, I absolutely agree." And then the second is, I entirely agree with you." It's same meaning, and that yes, that's how I feel. What's your idea? Yes, exactly. Okay, thank you so. Wait, I just finished my teaching. 5 minutes because I'm still teaching. Yes, yes. And then half agree. If you are just like first, I'm so sorry because there is information from our headmaster. I need to go, but we need to finish our lesson. Next, how about if you only 50% agree with your friend's opinion? For example, your friends say, I think Tupperware bottle is very strong bottle that I have ever used." And you can say, "Well, yes, but I think there are many kinds of tumbler that's very good too, rather than Tupperware." Or you can say, "Yes, I agree, but blah blah blah." Yes, in a way, but possibly, but you give your uh, own reasons. And how about you disagree? If you disagree about your friend's opinions, I suggest you to say with sorry first. Example, "I think Tupperware bottle is the best bottle that I have ever used." And you can say, "Sorry, I'm not sure. Uh, do you think so?" "No, sorry, I don't think so." "I'm sorry, I disagree with you." Okay. Do you clear about that? Okay. If you are already clear, if you have any question, you can ask me to my WhatsApp. And then the next is our homework today. So because it's the last material for this chapter, we will have three homeworks. First is listening practice 7, page 17 and 18, and the second is activity 6, activity 7. You can see that clearly. And again, do it on textbook. Do it in this book. Don't do the another book. Okay. The deadline or last day to your to do your homework is 18th August. Make sure you do it. And that's all for today's material. And I just want to say good job. I'm very proud of you. You can practice your English at home very well and very open with your family, your sister, your mother, or your friends, even via chatting or via virtual way. Keep practice. That's all for my material today. Sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.